Hi guys, today we're gonna restore my Thomas. As you can see, there are white scratches everywhere. The paints we need is yellow, blue, and gray. So let's get started. First, we need blue. Okay. Huh? Okay, why? What the? What the? Hold on. This is too hard. Okay, I don't want to use all the blue. Scrape, scrape, scrape. I must be careful so I don't fall. Oops, sorry. I'll be back. I just need to clean the pencil. Right, let me see what I need to use now. I'll use the big one. One is too hard. And it fell. Wow, look, it fell. But that's okay. I need to wait for the paint to dry. Okay. And we need to do whatever this blue thing is. Okay, I don't want to use all the blue. I can ran out all the blue. I think that's enough. Especially when you need this. Okay. The blue is done. And the second is no, stop it. Thank you. Next one is yellow. Wow, all the blue paint got into the yellow. That's disrespect. That's disgraceful. Okay. Oh, it's not showing reflection. Why is it getting even more worse? Huh? Look, it's getting even more worse. The red is fighting. screw it. We'll leave it like this. Now we need gray for the face of Thomas. It's not compared to the same one, unfortunately. But who cares? There is a small paint. Wait, it's gone. Oh, great, it's gone. It's gone. Huh? It was right here. Wait. I lost the gray paint. No. Gray paint? I swear I put it somewhere. It's go. Oh, there it is. Didn't know that. Wait. Oh, come on. Why was it? It's not ending. Where is it? Hold on. I just need to pause the video. Guys, looks like I found it. It was on the hallway thing. Sorry I didn't notice. It's not opening. Does not look like the same. Unfortunately, it does not look like the same. I knew it didn't look like the same. It looks like nothing like the same color. What? Serious? Man, I thought it was the right color. Now, I picked this isn't the right color. But that's okay. While it isn't the right color that my mom did, look, it doesn't look like the exact same color I wanted. Dude, it didn't look like the same at all. This isn't what I wanted. What happened? How about we mix it? Or that's likely going to be a bad idea. Let's find it in the power going machine. It turns into the color I wanted. What? It's not turning it enough. Now that's the right color. Where's the power cord thing? There it is. Oh, sorry. Wait, why isn't it working? Why is it so weak? Huh? What's wrong? Wait, what? How is it not right? Now it's turning fully white. What? This isn't right. This isn't the color I actually... Well, it's ruined. See, this isn't the color I actually wanted. It looks shit. Looks shit. Looks shit. Looks shit. This isn't the color I actually wanted. Ugh. It's ruined. Sorry. But it's like this now. They turn into black. Still failed. What happened? Looks like to use this color of it now. Wait, I'm using white? Well, I guess I can use this color now. Sorry. I couldn't use the other color because it refused to mix up the exact color I wanted. Why can't it draw perfectly? Wait, I can't get rid of it? T-O-O? Looks good. Ah! That was incredibly painful. Oh, I wasn't... Why? Oh, I know why. Because I wasn't careful. It's not the... Did it make it even worse? Like, what is this white spot? Okay, it almost looks like it. But nope, it's almost. It almost looks like the exact color. Well, I think that's it. My restored Thomas. That's it, I guess. Anyways, bye.